Okay, guys, it is another beautiful weekend, and of course, yesterday, if you were online and you watch my training videos in the video in the morning, you will notice that we discussed about trend trading strategy, and I said, I gave some information about how you can go about it. If you had practiced what I taught you yesterday, you would have milked this market. Check it out. That's amazing, guys. You would have milked this market trading spikes, okay? Because this actually switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, and I said you should only trade spikes on uptrend on gain X, and it should be from a support region. Here is a support region, and definitely you should have milked it right from here till this very end. This is 15-minute time frame, and this will have given you a lot of profit right from there. So that is the beautiful part of you understanding what you should do on each chart, okay, and using the right strategy and the right trading tool in order to achieve your results, okay. However, today being a beautiful weekend, we're going to be checking out all the charts and see what we are most likely to achieve this weekend. It's time to make something meaningful for ourselves this weekend. Let's see how this is going to work out, okay? But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, and you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Let's go straight into what we are right away. So we are starting with GainX 1200, and I'm on 15 minutes time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. First of all, this particular asset has actually got into a major resistance zone, which happened to be this. It has not been able to break out from there. And if you should make use of the trend lines, okay, let's see the weight of the trend line. You just need it to match up the points, okay. If you should notice, this actually broke out from this support trend line at this point, which means that it's going to sell. It broke out from the support trend line at that point, which means that it's going to sell at that point, okay. And it has not been able to break out above the resistance zone at the top right here also, okay. And of course, if you should notice, the indicator also switched from an uptrend into a downtrend and gave us the red arrow, which happened to be the sell signal. So what should you do? Okay, just at the top of the resistance zone right here, you set your stop loss, and I expect you to have come in somewhere here, okay, and you should be in profit right now. But right now, you can still go into the trade and probably come in somewhere here. That is if you are not in the trade at the moment, and this stop loss will be too much, so you can adjust your stop loss to somewhere here and use the opportunity to milk the trade right from there till this very moment. You can use your trailing stop loss, your stop loss, to trail down your profit till the very end of the trend. The only way this is not going to sell is if there is a pullback, if it's unable to break out below this support zone and it pulls back to for it to get to this resistance zone, and if it breaks out from this resistance zone, then that is when it will not sell, okay. So that is it, okay. So take your time and milk the market right from there. It might take the whole trend for you to milk out the whole trend. It might take like 2 days before you can finish it up, okay. So this is very, very important. 999, let's check it out together, okay. Okay, guys, this is GainX 999. Just like I have said yesterday, I also use this to explain yesterday. If you should notice, this actually got to the support region at this point. And of course, this is also GainX, okay? and you only trade spikes when it get to the support region and when it is on uptrend. Okay, so at this point it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, gave us a buy signal. So you should have come in somewhere here, put your stop loss here, and check out the profit you would have milked from here if you had done that yesterday. Okay, so this will have given you a lot of profit at the end of the day trading spikes. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. It has gotten to this particular resistance zone. Okay, it has gotten to this particular resistance zone. It has not been able to break out above it. Okay, so it is still moving, so it is still buying, so you should watch out for that. If it's unable to break out fully from the next resistance zone, then you should know that it's most likely for it to change the trend from into a downtrend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, now let's move on, guys, to Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. Okay, this actually started an uptrend right from here, and you can see it got to this particular zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's going on downtrend right now, and you can see it crashing down, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, at least it should get to this region first. If it breaks out from here, then we can now be thinking of it getting to this particular spot. But this is still very much on downtrend. So guys, this is Paynex 1200. So you should follow up with it and see that you are able to milk it to the very end of the trend. Now let's check out Paynex 999. So guys, this is Paynex 99. This is another beautiful trading opportunity. This actually got to this support region, and of course, it was on downtrend before. So right now, since it's unable to break out from this support region, it is now switching from a downtrend into an uptrend, just the way we are seeing it, and of course, gave us a buy signal right from there. And this is how I would have preferred that you place your order. Okay, your stop loss here, your entry points here. The market played around there for a while, and right now it is in big profits. It is still buying at the moment. We expect it to get to this region, so you should take action and milk the best out of the market. Okay, now let's check out the last asset, which is going to be FX volume 80. If you follow the instruction, you will definitely get the best out of all these assets. Okay, this is FX volume 80. It was on uptrend before, and we milked it till this very end. Right now, it has gotten to this resistance. It has not been able to break out from there. So it switched from an uptrend into a downtrend, gave us a sell signal, a single sell signal, and it is still selling right now. So this is still going to sell if it breaks out from this particular support region, just where we are seeing it. It was respected here, and of course, it has gotten there again. If it breaks out below it, it's still going to sell more. So you should take note of that. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of this analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section. I will be there to reply you, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, I will always be there to reply you. Okay, so this is very, very important. So I will be stopping right here. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe right away. And of course, do not forget to join the Telegram channel. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.